Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in western Kentucky, where a Class 7 416 engine horsepower FENDT IDEAL 7 combine equipped with a 350 bushel grain tank is harvesting the crop with a 40-foot wide FENDT 9340 Dynaflex Draper Head. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and list price tag, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the cab of the combine. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The FENDT IDEAL combine range includes 4 different models with a Class 7, 8, 9, and 10 machine, offering 416 to 790 engine horsepower and grain bin capacity from 350 to 485 bushels. FENDT IDEAL combines are manufactured by Agco in Breganz, Italy. They were introduced to the European market for model year 2017, and their introduction to North America followed a year later in 2018. The big Class 10 machine was added to the lineup for Europe in model year 2020, and then was released in the United States and Canada the following year in 2021. The FENDT IDEAL 7 is a Class 7 combine. It's the entry-level model in the IDEAL series. Its classification is based on its horsepower. This combine is powered by a 9.8-liter 451 cubic inch Agco Power 7-cylinder turbocharged intercooled engine rated at 416 engine horsepower, and it can achieve up to 476 horsepower when the combine encounters tough field conditions. When the IDEAL 7 was initially introduced, it had an original horsepower rating of 392 engine horsepower. The Class 8 through 10 IDEAL combines are powered by MAN engines. The IDEAL 7 is fitted with a 330-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 48-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. The combine is equipped with a 50-inch wide feeder house for allowing the crop to flow into the threshing system, which is a 24-inch diameter, 16-foot long single helix rotor. The other IDEAL combines from Class 8 through 10 have dual helix rotors. The IDEAL 7 offers a total of 11,548 square inches of cleaning capacity. It's equipped with a 350 bushel grain tank that unloads at 4 bushels per second through a 30-foot long unloading auger. The combine has a base list price according to FENDT.com for model year 2024 of $715,295. When tracks are added to the combine, its model number is changed to 7T, and the tracks have an additional cost of $113,820. The 40-foot FENDT 9340 Dynaflex Draper Head harvesting wheat with this IDEAL 7 has a list price of $160,307. All IDEAL combines come with FENDT's Gold Star Customer Care 3 years or 1,200 hours, zero deductible, full coverage warranty. All parts and labor required on each factory recommended maintenance are included, as well as filters and fluid. There is also a loaner program. If your combine cannot be repaired in 48 hours, the company will provide you with an equal machine to continue harvesting.
All the combine controls are over here on the operator's armrest, so you don't have a lot of clutter or corner posts that are wide like other machines. So the operator has an excellent view of the field in front. look at this control, everything is right there on the joystick. If you look at that yellow dial on the bottom of it, that is actually, as you scroll that to move the unloading auger in and out, and then you push it in to engage the auger. So everything is just simple, easy fingertip control, and again, that monitor is really handy to have right there on the armrest, so everything is close and in view. We can see here in the cab that you have an excellent view from behind the operator's seat of the grain bin. You can see the grain coming in there. And then we look forward and we can see the view of the draper head. Again, a good view of that table, the cutting knives, and the feeder house. See the 40-foot FENDT draper platform doing a really nice job. It's just rolling along through the field, bringing that wheat in. We're having a great bumper crop this year. Wheat's doing over 100 bushels an acre. You can see it's just slicing it off there really nicely. Combine's running at about 3.5 miles per hour, and that reel speed is just set just to pull that wheat right into the draper and match the speed of the combine. Got a little bit of down weight here on the end where there was a little bit of extra fertilizer, and it just slows right down to match the crop condition, and we can see it'll just shave that right off and make sure that the grain's getting in the bin. See how nice the draper feeds in that down green wheat. Here it's important to get your wheat as cut in as fast as possible in Western Kentucky because there's a second crop of beans going in right behind the combine.
Have you seen the ladder? You seen what the ladder I do?
No.
What's this?
Now when you're going down the road, you can just switch it over there and move it into position and move it back easily right here with the cab control up in the roof of the machine.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing this FENDT IDEAL 7 combine harvesting winter wheat. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use Fendt farm machines on your farm? Are you running a combine, tractor, planter, or sprayer? If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.